The Acumatica Pacejet Integration. Pacejet is a fully connected shipping application that allows connected parcel, freight, LTL, 3PL, regional carriers, and other shipping services in a one-stop shop, easy-to-navigate platform for mid-sized shippers. This customization provides you with a native built-in Acumatica experience. You can shop for rates at the sales order or shipment level to help reduce shipping cost. You can zero in on pricing further by selecting shipping services options such as liftgate, additional handling, and others to quickly determine a pricing estimate before you finalize your sales orders. You can select any one of the multiple scenarios for packing and shipping, such as manually or auto pack and ship in Pacejet. Tracking shipment data is made easier since the integration automates paperwork and labels. The tracking number and tracking URL along with the label and paperwork is sent back and captured in Acumatica. Finally, you can gain some useful reporting options to gain a strategic view of your shipping operation. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Here I am on the instance of Acumatica with the Pacejet integration. This integration is available via a customization, so once you have the package installed and published, you can configure Pacejet at great detail as you can see on my screen. Specifically for the purpose of this demo, I have selected the integration scenario of manual pack and ship in Pacejet, which would be a common use case for most. I can also set up the customer accounts, where I can indicate which customer accounts relate to which customer if that's an option I need to use for my specific delivery setting. After selecting my carrier units and setting it to pound and inch per the configuration, I can check connectivity by selecting the test connection button. Because this integration relies on the box and container setup and mapping between Acumatica and Pacejet, you'll need to ensure that all the boxes, also called container in Pacejet, is set up correctly with the box weight, max volume, max weight, and carrier package ID, which is known as box ID in Pacejet. And making sure that active by default checkbox for each box I want to use for the integration is checked. Next, in the Ship Via screen, you will need to set up the Ship Via codes for each carrier service method you wish to use through Pacejet. Ensure external plugin is checked, select Pacejet as your carrier, and select the service method and set up freight accounts and sub-accounts. You can then select the package that can be used for that Ship Via code under the Packages tab. You can also predetermine which stock items may automatically use Pacejet by setting it up for that stock item under the special Pacejet packaging attribute section which appears with this integration. Under the shipping terms screen, you can also use the Pacejet freight term to map the shipping terms to Acumatica shipping. And since this integration uses pounds and inch under the carrier configuration, make sure to set up all the unit conversions that's applicable to your system. With all these various configuration methods set, let's see how the rest of the integration ties the two systems together. I have already created a sales order here. Now, under the shipping tab, I can shop for rates. In this case, I will select the cheapest option, which will take slightly longer for the delivery and update. Back on the shipping tab of the sales order, you will notice some of the Pacejet specific option which didn't exist until after I selected Pacejet as my ship via. So if I were in the sales use case creating the sales order for the customer, I can quickly select delivery options, insurance, lift gates, additional handling, and others to determine a high-level total for my customer. Once satisfied, I will create the shipment, and from the shipment screen, I can verify my shipping and shipping services accurately reflect what I had on my sales order. Then under the Packages tab, I want to pack all the Lego sets in the same box, so I will go ahead and do that. Now, I will confirm the shipment once everything looks good. Since we're using the scenario for manually packing and shipping with Pacejet, we will need to open the Pacejet workbench directly from this screen. In this new window, I can confirm the shipping details, package information, special services if any. Then I can select the Rate and Process button on Pacejet to process this order. You'll notice that I get a shipment confirmation with the summary and tracking information. Now that this step is complete, I will close the window and instantly back on the Acumatica window where I can update the current Acumatica shipment with the Pacejet data. After a few seconds, you will notice that the integration has automatically captured the tracking number as well as the label for that package seamlessly. As demonstrated, the Pacejet integration for Acumatica empowers users, especially mid-sized shippers, to manage and deploy a mix of customized freight and parcel shipping carriers and special services to align with your specific shipping needs. Easily understand your shipping cost and automate your processes so you can focus on transforming and growing your business. For more information about Acumatica, please visit our website or contact an Acumatica partner.